Hey there, future millionaires. Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about earning money in your sleep? Well, it's not just a dream, it's a reality many are living right now, and it's called passive income. Passive income is the golden ticket to financial freedom. It's the secret sauce that allows you to earn without trading your time for money. It's the key that unlocks the door to a lifestyle where your income doesn't stop when you clock out. Today, we're going to dive deep into the ocean of opportunities and fish out the best passive income business ideas for 2023. These are not just any ideas, these are proven strategies that have transformed ordinary people into self-made millionaires. So, if you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, if you're fed up with living paycheck to paycheck, if you're ready to break free from the chains of financial constraints, this video is for you. We're about to embark on a journey that could potentially change your life. Imagine a life where you're earning even when you're chilling on the beach, sipping on a cocktail, or exploring the wonders of the world. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explain how you can turn that dream into a reality. First up on our list is a giant that needs no introduction: Amazon. But we're not just talking about shopping, we're talking about leveraging the power of Amazon to create a stream of passive income. This is done through a program known as Amazon FBA, or Fulfillment by Amazon. Now you might be wondering, what's Amazon FBA? Well, it's a program that allows you to sell your products on Amazon. But here's the kicker. Amazon takes care of the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to worry about the logistics. All you need to do is find the right products, list them on Amazon, and watch as the sales roll in. Selling on Amazon is like having your own store, but without the hassle of a physical location. You can sell anything from books to beauty products, from tech gadgets to toys. The world is your oyster when it comes to choosing what to sell. And the best part? With Amazon's vast customer base, your products are visible to millions of potential buyers around the world. But here's where it gets even better. Once your products are listed and the sales start coming in, Amazon handles the rest. They store your products in their warehouses, pack and ship them when orders come in, and even handle customer service and returns. This means you can run your business from anywhere in the world, even from a beach in Bali. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but is it really passive? Well, like any business, it requires some effort to set up. You need to find the right products, create compelling listings, and manage your inventory. But once that's done, the income you earn can be very passive. You could be making sales while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or while you're busy living your life. Now, if you're feeling excited about the potential of Amazon FBA but are unsure about where to start, don't worry, we've got you covered. We're partnering with the amazing Selling Machine, a program trusted by over 35,000 people to help you launch your Amazon business. They've created a free 3-step launch system that will guide you through finding a great product idea based on your interests and budget, turning that product into a 7-figure business you can run from anywhere, and identifying the best places to launch your brand in 2023. And the best part? They'll show you how to run your business in just 1 or 2 hours a day. Yes, you heard that right. You can run a successful business and still have plenty of time to enjoy your life. But hurry, the first video in the series drops soon. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start your journey towards financial freedom, click the link in the description below and sign up for the amazing Selling Machine. So, if you're looking for a business model that combines the potential for high income with the freedom of passive earnings, selling on Amazon could be your golden ticket. It's a business model that has created countless success stories, and you could be next. Moving on to our next passive income idea, we're diving into the world of YouTube content creation. Now, before you dismiss this idea thinking, "I'm not a filmmaker," or "I don't have anything interesting to say," hear me out. YouTube is a platform that's as diverse as the people who use it. It's not just for filmmakers or celebrities, it's for anyone with a passion, a hobby, or a unique perspective to share. And the best part? You can make a lot of money doing it. Creating content on YouTube is about sharing your knowledge, your experiences, or your talents with the world. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a makeup guru, a tech whiz, or a travel junkie, there's an audience on YouTube waiting to hear from you. But how does it translate into passive income, you ask? Well, once your channel is established and you've got a decent number of views and subscribers, you can start earning money through YouTube's partner program. This allows you to monetize your videos through ads, channel memberships, and YouTube Premium revenue. And here's where the passive part comes in. Once a video is uploaded and monetized, it can continue to generate income for as long as it's on the platform. That means a video you made a year ago could still be earning you money today. But wait, there's more. YouTube is also a great platform for affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. It's another great way to boost your income while doing something you love. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but once it's up and running, it can be a significant source of passive income. Plus, it's a chance to connect with people around the world, share your passion, and make a positive impact. And who knows, you might even become the next big YouTube star. So if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, now is the time. Grab a camera, find your niche, and start creating. Your journey to passive income could be just a video away. However, if the thought of being in front of the camera makes you nervous, don't fret. There's a growing trend of successful, faceless YouTube channels. In fact, you're watching one right now. These channels focus on content where the creator's face or voice isn't required. Think about channels that share educational content with voiceovers, animation, relaxing music, or even stunning nature videos. Creating a faceless YouTube channel allows you to maintain your privacy while still sharing content you're passionate about. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of a faceless channel is that it's all about the content, not the creator. This means you can focus on creating high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. And just like any other YouTube channel, once your videos are up and running, they can continue to generate income for you passively. So, if you've been holding back from starting a YouTube channel because you don't want to be on camera, a faceless channel could be the perfect solution. It's a unique way to tap into the power of YouTube and create a stream of passive income, all while staying behind the scenes. Next up on our list of passive income ideas is a strategy we've already touched on briefly, but it's so powerful that it deserves its own spotlight. We're talking about affiliate marketing. In fact, affiliate marketing isn't just for YouTube. It's a versatile strategy that can be used across various platforms, from blogs to social media to email newsletters. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a middleman, but a very profitable one. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or service. You simply promote products that you believe in and earn a commission for your efforts. It's a win-win situation. The product owner gets more sales, and you get a piece of the pie. But how does this translate into passive income? Well, once you've set up your affiliate links and integrated them into your content, they can continue to generate income without any additional effort on your part. Whether you're sleeping, vacationing, or working on your next big project, your affiliate links are working for you 24/7. Affiliate marketing is also a great way to monetize your passions. Are you a fitness enthusiast? Promote fitness equipment or health supplements? Love tech? Share your favorite gadgets and earn a commission for every sale. The possibilities are endless. However, it's important to remember that successful affiliate marketing is based on trust. You should only promote products that you genuinely believe in and think will benefit your audience. This will help you build a strong relationship with your audience and increase the chances of them using your affiliate links. So, if you're looking for a passive income strategy that offers flexibility, potential for high earnings, and the chance to promote products you love, affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. Next on our list of passive income strategies is one that allows you to leverage your expertise and share your knowledge with the world, creating an online course. In the digital age, online learning has become a booming industry. People from all walks of life are turning to the internet to learn new skills, broaden their knowledge, and even change their careers. And this presents a fantastic opportunity for you to step in as an educator and create a course on a subject you're passionate about. Are you a whiz at web design? Do you have a knack for knitting? Are you a master of meditation? Whatever your area of expertise, there's likely an audience out there eager to learn from you. Creating a course involves packaging your knowledge into a structured, easy-to-follow format. This could be a series of video lessons, written modules, interactive quizzes, or a combination of all three. The key is to create a course that not only educates, but also engages your students. Once your course is created, you can host it on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even your own website. These platforms handle the distribution and often the marketing too, allowing you to reach students from around the world. But how does this translate into passive income? Well, once your course is live, students can enroll and access the course material at any time. This means you can be earning income from your course around the clock, even while you sleep. And the best part? Unlike a traditional classroom, there's no limit to the number of students you can teach at once. Whether you have 10 students or 10,000, the amount of work you need to do remains the same. However, it's important to note that creating a course requires an upfront investment of time and effort. You'll need to plan your course, create the content, and set it up on your chosen platform. But once that's done, a well-crafted course can generate income for years to come. So, if you're passionate about a particular subject and love the idea of sharing your knowledge with others, creating an online course could be a fantastic source of passive income. It's a chance to make a difference in people's lives while earning an income, a win-win situation. And there you have it. Those are some of the best passive income business ideas for 2023. But remember, these are not just ideas. They're potential stepping stones to financial freedom, to a life where you're no longer trading your time for money, to a future where you're the master of your own destiny. But here's the thing. These ideas are only as good as the action you take. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. It means setting up systems that can generate income for you, even when you're not actively working. And to set up these systems, you need to take the first step. So whether it's selling on Amazon, creating a YouTube channel, diving into affiliate marketing, or creating your own course, pick the idea that resonates with you the most and take that first step. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your journey towards financial freedom is no different. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of, and it all starts here with that first step. So are you ready to take control of your financial future? Are you ready to start your journey towards passive income? If the answer is yes, then let's get started. And before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and educational content. Remember, the key to success is to keep learning, keep growing, and keep taking action. And we're here to support you every step of the way.